Okay, we are going to start off today by assembling our MonkeyBar assembly. When we're finished with this, we will call it MonkeyBar assembly complete, so we know that all of our parts are actually started off or put together. We're going to first start with this horizontal piece right here, which is our actual monkey bars. So start off a new assembly and place, and we are going to find our monkey bar, and we're going to put two of them in the drawing, just like that. Now next we're going to put our monkey pole in, and on our monkey pole there are 7 bars. Now comes time for constrain. I'm going to use the insert tool. Click align. You can see how that little arrow pops out of the end. That's what we want. Now here, when we highlight the hole, you can see that an arrow come towards the right or come towards the left. I'm going to highlight it so it goes towards the left, and the hole clicks right in there. Click enter, arrow, get the arrow the right way, enter, arrow, enter, and so on and so forth until you get all your pieces in. Now if that happens, which is very common, just click cancel and it pops right back on out. Now next, same thing, but the arrow is going the other way. Click apply, and then this one. You only have to constrain those 2 pieces because the rest fall into place. So there we have our horizontal piece assembled, our actual monkey bar assembled. We are now going to save this as monkey bar assembly complete, and we're going to keep on going from here. The next thing we have to import is our upright monkey bar. So right here, open, and then let's see, there we go, upright monkey bar. Place, upright monkey bar, and we're going to put 2 of those in there. Just move that out of the way, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 poles in there, so 6 monkey poles. Same way to constrain them. Remember to click save before you do anything major. Now we'll do a little bit of assembly right here. We're going to highlight this entire piece, just like this. There we go. And free rotate. Now this is where you panic a little bit and go, oh no, my stuff came apart. Just click OK, and then move it, and it snaps back. If you watch that again, highlight, free rotate. Okay, you panic, oh man, my stuff actually came apart, I can't do Autodesk Inventor, the world's coming to an end. Okay, and then as soon as you move it, everything snaps back together. So let's go ahead and constrain this. We're going to flush it, that side to that side. Click apply. Mate it that to the underside. And now we just have to flush the back. Okay, so we've got 3/4 of that assembled right now. Now we've just got to insert our monkey ladder next. So place and find our monkey ladder. We've got 2 of those. 5, 6, 7, 8. And there are 8 monkey poles that go with it. Everything is constrained just like before. Remember to save it. Now let's assemble these pieces. Let me first do a little bit of rotation right there. Okay, let me flush this. I will mate the top to the underside. And then flush the back. Okay, so this is our complete MonkeyBar assembly right there. Everything is constrained, everything is attached well. This is kind of a complicated video, but once you get a hang of it, it's really easy. So stop this video, rewind, and replay as many times as you need to get the concept.